up, YouTube? Happy Friday, guys. Hope you all had an amazing week because we did. We are the community, the all traders community. We are crushing it week by week. And if you're not in the all traders community, you're missing a lot because there's a whole lot going down there. A lot of money to be made, and a whole lot of money is being made on that community. So before I proceed, make sure you click the link below, the Telegram link below, to join the all traders community, and then now I'll dive right in. Today I'll be analyzing the market as I always do, but today is for a special reason. We're having the NFP reports, the non-farm payroll reports coming up today, Friday. It comes out every first Friday of the month, and today is the month of March, the first Friday of the month of March, and we should be expecting the NFP report by 2:30 Nigerian time, probably 8 o'clock or 8:30 American time. So, what should we expect for the NFP? A lot of people have been asking me what we're gonna expect. Is it gonna go down? Is it gonna be up? But we'll look at some figures first before we dive right into the chart. I mean, if we look at the DXY on the daily, we've been seeing that we have been on a major bearish outbreak. Like the market has just been down lately. You know what I mean? So with this, should we expect the NFP news to be good? Should we expect the NFP news to be bad? But I don't want to give an opinion. Yeah, let's just pull out some fundamentals in this. Let's go to forex.com. I already pulled it up here. So if we look at this, you can see the non-farm payroll payment employment change. Let's look at the data. You see, on February 7th, it came out very, very bad. Okay, it did come out very bad. And although January was good, but February 7th was also very bad. You understand? So would March be bad? I will look into that in a few minutes. Let's look at the average hourly earnings. Earnings was good, right? Our hourly earnings was good, but that didn't change the fact that March, the data was bad. Okay, now let's look at the calendar. The unemployment rate was good, right? Where the previous was 6.7%, and then it dropped by 6.6%. That was also good for February. Unemployment change. Let's look at. Okay, no, this one's for Can. This one's for Can. Let's go to the US. Unemployment rate. Yeah, you can see it dropped by 4.0%. Yeah. Everything looks good. I mean, the only thing that didn't change was the non-farm employment change, and then what should we be expecting? Should we be expecting another bad movement for, I don't want to say bad, okay, let's just say bad earnings, okay, for the employment change, okay, non-farm employment change, all right? Would it come out red? Would it come out green? Let's put it that way. But look at how the Trump tenure has been going for a few months now. You know that, first of all, Americans are kind of in fear because they don't really know what to expect from the market. Like they fear, all right. It's just there. So they like to some people the economy is not good, and to some people the economy is bad. And Donald Trump has ruled out some. Should I put out some rules that everybody should come back to work? No more online work and the rest. And then now there is the government parts, funding has been cut, all those things has been cut, and yeah, yeah. So these things are, I think, what are affecting the NFP price. I mean, the NFP results are coming out good. And so if we're looking at the month of March and we're like, all right, okay, so the month of March, February didn't have enough good news. Let's not gonna lie, it didn't have enough good news for the market. We had Tesla dropping, we had a whole lot of stocks dropping hard. Even the crypto market took its fair share, and then yeah, what now? Let's take what should we expect. So first of all, I'm like, okay, we've been having drawdowns since the beginning of January, right? Even though the news came out a little bit good, we still have that drawdown. That's to show that, hey, the economy is not that strong, although it's perceived as strong, but people are not saying it's strong, because I asked some US folks and they like, yeah, a lot of staffs have been shortlisted. I mean, short staffed. A lot of company has been shorting, short staffing members and workers and all those things. And yeah, with all that, a lot of people are having the fear that the recession is also coming. So would this affect the rate at which we should expect the NFP move, right? So I believe that this move will be very, very great because, first of all, January, February was the call shot, and then we have March, and that's where the results should show, right? Because a lot of investors are really, really hoping, and their eyes are pinned. I'm not talking about the big whales. The big whales already know what will happen. I'm talking about the markets, the liquidators sweep, and all those things. Like, we're expecting. Okay, so if there is one little bad news right now in the market, it's going to crash everything. So with that, I do believe that the DXY would still go red. With what I am saying, okay, I do believe that we should still see bearish markets for the DXY. At least we should be coming down to zero, the 102, 102, 101, and sorry, heads everywhere. 100 and 200 and probably 100. I mean, I don't think we'll go down to 100, but let me just keep it at 101, or yeah, 100, yeah, 101.7. I really do believe that we might just come up to that place, and if the news comes up good, I don't think we would. I don't really think the DXY has that momentum to really push up that well. I don't really. I Even if it has to, I do believe that we have to like clear this low here, the 103, and then probably tap into the area. Let me check the 4 hour time frame a little bit. Okay, let's go scroll. Put this one here. Yeah, okay. So you can see I do believe we have to clear this liquidity zone. Yeah, just let me just call it a liquidity zone. You guys can call it whatever you want. So yeah, we have to clear that zone. That's 103, below the 103, and then rise close to somewhere around the 102s, right? So if that happens, yeah, that's how I feel the NFP news might go, because the dollar has been it has been taking the beat. And if I don't know about any other currency pair, but I've been analyzing gold, and we took the snipe on gold on the community. If you have not joined the community, you're missing a lot, guys. You are missing a lot. Look at this. So this signal is dropped on the community. Look at how where we took the snipe from, where it got to, and where we exited around here, and you can see the market is just consolidating around here, right? So I do believe that gold should we should be looking for more up movement for gold, as we should be looking for more bullish movement for gold. So that's what's making me believe that this NFP news would be bad for the dollar. Okay, so that is one of the. I'm not saying that you should stick to this, right? I'm not saying that, hey, you should put in your mind that, hey, this at the end. I'm just giving you what I'm analyzing. Okay, I do believe that after this consolidation, we have a consolidation here. Okay, we do have a consolidation around this zone, right? And then I know for a fact that, okay, we should be hoping to get out from this consolidation zone and probably top up good. So we should be expecting gold to like probably go back to the 2,953 and area, or yeah, around that area. That is the most logical thing. But again, we should be expecting downplay. So I'm hoping that the NFP news doesn't come out both ways like it did on the February. I think that was. Let me put this shit here. I'm go back to the daily time frame. Daily. Hold up. If so, that was February. We're in February 7th, right? Yep, February 7th. Yeah, around this area. So you can see on February 7th, we had the market actually go up and then it came down. But later on, it started retracing back up again, So I don't want, we don't want that to happen, okay? That's another uncertainty on the market. So because the more we keep having this uncertainty in the market, that's the more this market will keep lagging, and then we are not going to be sure. And we will know how, if the market very soon, I know what Donald Trump is working on. The tariffs are coming in, everything are coming in, but they don't really affect the non-farm payroll that way. But they would have their signs, right? So these are the kind of things that we should be looking in, all right? So even if the non-farm payroll does come out good, we still have the aftermath to deal with. The report, is it really good for investors or the American citizens? Remember, what Donald Trump is looking to create is more spending in the economy, where people's taxes don't eat up their profits, where people's taxes don't eat up, eat up their earnings, their income. So that's what this is all about. So right now, the Americans are feeling the heat, and the whole U.S. dollar is feeling the heat. But very soon it will be good, and that's why I'm like, hey, be careful. We should be ready to short gold very soon. Okay, that's the truth. We should be ready to pull a shot on gold. But again, I do believe that we are going to clear the zone. So I'm expecting that the NFP comes out bad. All right, the NFP might or will come out bad for the dollar. And then we have gold actually going up, going bullish, crossing the 2960 area, and then probably then dropping down, and then maybe that would be the move we need, because I do believe that we want, probably this year, I don't know, probably the next few months, we would have gold probably dropping back down to 2k 580 or 2k 570, around this area. I do see that coming, but I don't know when. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment below. Would the NFP come out good? Will the NFP come out bad? If the NFP does come out bad or good for the dollar, then the where I know gold will be going is to clear this last liquidity sweep around this area. This is the sell side liquidity sweep. Okay, so it will clear this sell side liquidity sweep around 2856, and then probably drop a little bit lower. So that's where we should be expecting the gold to go. If the dollar comes out bad, for the dollar, then we are expecting gold to go to 2k 953 or above, clear this buy side liquidity sweep. But right now we just created the sell side liquidity sweep, so I'm expecting that we are going to clear this liquidity zone here and before we drop back down. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and if I have to make another video, I'll be making another video right after the NFP news. I'll be talking about the aftermath. All right, the aftermath, and probably I'll be sharing some profit. I'll also be trading this NFP. Probably I'll be trading it both ways. Last one I did say I would trade it both ways, which I did, but this one I'm looking to go full on the buy side of gold, because I'm like, gold will go up and the NFP news will come out bad and gold will go up. That's is what I'm saying. But let's see, let's wait for the NFP news. We are probably like 6 or 5 hours ahead. So yeah, let's wait for the NFP news, and let me know what you think in the comment section. If you've not joined the community, do so now. The link is in the description below. Join the community and make some dollars for yourself, guys.